Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix blurry status on WhatsApp, right? So for example, let me show you. If I just go to the WhatsApp here and if I just click on the updates and if I just tap on my updates, so maybe I will show you there. You can see basically this is a very blurry photo, right? If I zoom it, then how I can upload or fix this blurry status? Well, the only way to fix this blurry status that you have to upload a HD quality photo. So by the way, if you have a blurry photo, then I will show you how to convert into a HD quality, completely clean, high quality photos, right? To do that, you have to just go to any of the browser. Then on the search browser, you have to type image upscaler, right? And just hit the enter, right? And it will just take a few seconds of your time. Once you come here, you will find a lot of websites, but you have to do one thing. You have to go for the free one. So here, just click on the first link, which is called Image Upscaler, right? So you have to just go to this website. Basically, it says I love IMG and just click on select an image. So we'll just select an image of this, right? And I will just click on the done and it will take a just few seconds, and after that it will convert our photos into high quality photos. And then once it's done, we will just click on download and it will just take a few seconds to download it. And guys, here you can see the quality of these images, right? Let me show you and see the quality of the images, and let me show you the blurry picture, right? So here, just see this blurry picture, right? So it's very blur. So we will just go here. Let me show you the blurry pictures first of all, right? And we will just, let me show you the WhatsApp here, and we will just see this blurry picture. Right now we will just change this picture. I will just go back and just click on my status, and here this is our full quality image, right? Once you do it, just click on the here on the tab and our status is done. So in this way you can fix the blurry image in your WhatsApp status. I hope you found this video really useful.